Today I'm going to open up a Wuben X2 with a 1.5 hex driver and desolder some wires to remove the battery pack from the driver board and test for low voltage protection. I'll hook it up to a bench power supply. So first things first, I need to remove these hex bits. They're a little bit tricky to get in there. You can see it's a bit of a tight fit. I'm going to start with diagonally opposite sides. So that comes out. So this is the battery pack. It's two 14500 cells, and in parallel you get about twice the capacity, so about 2000 milliamp hours. So I'll desolder these. It's always a little bit dangerous dealing with lithium batteries. You don't want to short a lithium battery, it will start a fire. Cool, so that one's up. So yeah, that's already touching the copper. So use a little bit of tape there. Just to try and prevent me shorting the battery and causing a fire. Cool. That's up. It's okay. Okay, so now I'll grab two wires and solder them. Pull that up straight. Don't want to short it. And again. Okay, that's connected. Cool, so got the two wires not currently shorted, which is nice. We'll go across and test it. Gonna hook up bench power supply. It's currently off. Cool, don't want those touching. Alrighty, let's turn the power on. Hopefully you don't blow it up. It's set to 4.2 volts, 5 amps. Okay. Yep, success. We've got power and it hasn't blown up so far, which is nice. So to test this, I'm going to keep an eye on the current and turn the voltage down and observe what happens. You can see in the reflection here, there is the three lights. So let's turn the voltage down and see what happens. Okay, so around 2.76. Let's crank it back up again. And turn it on. Let's turn the voltage down. We'll see what happens again around 2.76. Okay, 2.76, it's switched off and the current has dropped to 1.12 milliamp. I keep turning it down. So just under a milliamp. 819 microamps. Pulls about 1.1 milliamps. Nice, so it seems to have some form of low voltage protection where it's cutting off, which is good news if you want to use your own battery pack. Don't necessarily need to put low voltage protection in your battery pack. You can use the torch. It's not the be all and end all of this though. If you're using turbo mode, for example, you may want to check how it performs, because I've noticed on other lights where if you use turbo, there's a high drain and it doesn't always cut off correctly. It skips past the cutoff and it keeps going down, which can be bad for the cell if it goes to 0. Cool, thank you.